Hey guys, what's up? So today I am going to be doing another Valentine's Day look. I tried recording one earlier and it went terribly. So I was really upset and like unmotivated. But yeah, I'm really hoping that this one will turn out a lot better. So let's get into it.
I've been so distracted, didn't know what I wanted, and I've been singing this song for too long. 'Cause I'm hopelessly in love with you. Yeah, I'm hopelessly in love with you. Whoa, whoa. 'Cause I'm hopelessly in love, hopelessly in love with you. Stressed way more than I thought, but I needed to go for the shot, and I'm aiming, yeah, I'm aiming for this hope that I wanna break loose. Yeah, I have no weapons in use to reach you. Oh, I need you. What if I was honest? Maybe I would feel good. Maybe I would be right here with you. But I turned around when I thought I had it all wrong, and I've been singing this song for too long. 'Cause I'm hopelessly in love with you. Yeah, I'm hopelessly in love with you. Whoa, whoa. 'Cause I'm hopelessly in love, hopelessly in love with you.
So I finished my eyes, or most of my eyes. This video is going so much better than my last video, and it's nice to like not have to stop and kind of explain what I'm doing. It's kind of just like a refresher video for me. But just to let everybody know, I am just using the Jaclyn Hill Morphe palette. Yeah, every single shade I've used on my eyes, it's just from the palette, just like the browns and kind of neutrals. On the lid I used Sissy and Faint, and that's basically it. So now I'm just going to move on to my face, and I'm just gonna keep doing what I was doing.
I need you. Oh, I'm suffocated. Tell me, how do you feel? Tell me how I became so faded. I've been so distracted, didn't know what I wanted, and I've been singing this song for too long. 'Cause I'm hopelessly in love with you. Yeah, I'm hopelessly in love with you. Whoa. I'm hopelessly in love, hopelessly in love with you. Hopelessly in love with you. Stressed way more than I thought, but I needed to go for the shot, and I'm aiming, yeah, I'm aiming for this hope that I wanna break loose. Yeah, I have no weapons in use to reach you. Oh, I need you. What if I was honest? Maybe I would feel good. Maybe I would be love with you. Whoa, whoa. 'Cause I'm hopelessly in love, hopelessly in love with you. Hopelessly in love with you.
Alright, so I finished everything. I'm not in love with the lips, but I really just don't want to take it off and put another one on. Anyways, if you guys enjoyed this video, don't forget to give it a big thumbs up, and if you're not already, subscribe to my YouTube channel. Like always, I will see you guys in my next video. Bye!
You've been stuck in my head for so long, and I felt now I need to be strong. In the water, I'm drowning, I cannot breathe. I can feel the tide, though I'm close to know that I tried to reach you. Oh, I need you. Oh, I'm suffocated. Tell me, how do you feel? Tell me how I became